Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale lead nurturing with HubSpot. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open HubSpot and log into your account. Navigate to the marketing section in the main menu. Select lead nurturing from the drop-down options. Click on workflows to create a new lead nurturing workflow. Choose the start from scratch option for a customized approach. Name your workflow to reflect its purpose, such as lead nurturing campaign. Set the enrollment triggers based on lead behavior, like form submissions or page views. Define the criteria clearly to target specific segments of your contacts. Add actions to your workflow by clicking the plus icon. Select Send Email to initiate communications with leads. Craft personalized emails that provide valuable content or information. Use the personalization tokens to make emails relevant to each lead. Schedule the timing of your emails appropriately to optimize engagement. Consider adding additional actions such as reminders or tasks for your sales team. Review the workflow steps to ensure they align with your nurturing goals. Test the workflow by simulating lead behavior to check for any issues. Once satisfied, turn on the workflow to activate your lead nurturing campaign. Monitor the performance through HubSpot's analytics dashboard. Make adjustments as needed based on lead interactions and feedback. Continue to refine your approach for better results over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.